Hello, I'm Chris Cummings. I'm CEO of Petra Technologies, and we provide rock-solid IT every day. Today I'm going to talk about printers, and I haven't talked about that yet. So I'd like to mention on how we handle printers at Petra Technologies. There's basically two different types of printers that are used in business offices. There are the ones that are in your own private office, and there are the printers that are centrally used, typically in a common area, a space for many people to use. These are usually the larger capacity and faster printers that have more features. For the most part, the printers that are in your private office can be acquired just about as easily as we can through Amazon, Office Depot, or Costco. However, I would always caution that you're getting a printer that is at least $500. Otherwise, the parts are going to wear out in the first year and it just isn't going to be a good ROI. For the workgroup printer, I would recommend a company that we work with called Solutions Yes. They are a company that specializes in just printers. They do not do network IT services. They are a printer company. They have options that can work well for any type of paper handling, different sizes of paper requirements, hole punch, and staples. These would handle groups of 10, 20, and sometimes 50 or more people. They also have printers that are very fast and can meet your needs for the business style that you have. In either case, if you're a client of ours, we'd highly recommend that you let us know when you're thinking about buying a printer and when you are planning on having the printer show up. From a service standpoint, we'd like to be prepared and ready for that printer to get installed and have it up and working like it's supposed to right out of the gate. So until next time, find us on Facebook, YouTube, and on the web at Petra Tech IT. If you found any of this information useful, please share it. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll address them in a future video. Thanks.